Now what is that?
I got a note from George Munger, and he saw that we had the broken distributor base.
Yeah.
And
He
said he sent one in the mail. So I'm going to have a look.
Yeah.
And if it is, then I'm going to put it in.
And if it isn't, well...
And if it isn't, then we're going to put it on the shelf.
Yeah.
And we'll make a different video.
Are those cast or what?
Yeah, it's just a
pot metal?
Pot metal casting.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
There it is. So, well, let's put it in. Let's get the hood open and do this.
What are you talking about? You mean you, not me.
Come on.
We'll watch, right? We'll watch it.
Okay.
And I should have brought earplugs because it's gonna be some swearing again.
I hope not. I hope I can get one bolt out. I hope it's not that hard.
And bring earplugs.
And earplugs for everybody. Okay, so we need to just cut these zap straps.
Gee, that was quite a storm, eh?
Yeah, some noise, eh?
At 4 o'clock. Oh! I never slept after that. I got up and I was playing games on the computer for about an hour and a half, and then the wife got up. And she said, "You can't sleep either." I said, "No." She just sat on the Chesterfield and was playing with the dog, and next thing I see, she was sleeping.
There we go. Now, should be able to just lift this out of here. Yes.
Replace that piece?
Yeah, so that's a 9/16, I think.
That's the same baby?
Yeah, see, this has all been glued. But, there, that's how well that was done, right?
Yeah. Well, if you don't have a new one, what else do you do?
Yeah.
I mean, it worked, eh? So, half-assed, sort of. Eh?
That was just, I don't know what they used there. Some kind of glue. But that was done 50 years ago, too.
Yeah.
We have better glues today. It seems, you see that? How that, this is bent. If I tighten that down,
It'll break?
it's going to do this, and then when you put the distributor in, it's going to do that, and it's going to break. So
Crumbs.
Well, how
we
come
just
that's
need,
bent?
I don't know, it's 75 years old, I guess.
Well, can you put a washer under it here?
No, I'm going to have to put a shim under it.
That's what I'm saying, a washer under there.
Because we can't put a washer because the washer would be too thick at this end.
Oh, yeah. You
So we just got to literally put a shim at that end.
Yeah. You got lucky with the right thickness of the shim first crack, eh?
Well, I kind of cut it, a notch in it so I could slide it in.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And then the further I slide it, the tighter it gets.
The tighter it gets, yeah.
So that's kind of how I did it.
Yeah. It's still rocking a little bit. It's got to be a little thicker.
Just going to make one more. Okay, well.
Better?
It's
Is
better.
it snug? You got it tight?
Yeah, pretty tight.
The bolt, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what's the matter here?
It's not catching. Huh? It's too long. Huh?
Certainly starting to look that way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, bugger.
I told you there'd be swearing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were right.
And things are going way too good. You found shims that worked right away. Okay.
Different length.
Not by much, though.
It doesn't take much. Well, no, but
Well, I can't really do any harm by
no.
just chewing it
Watch
down.
your head.
Right?
Do you want to borrow my helmet?
Okay. So that's what we're doing.
Helmet.
We got to put it in the mill. There's our setup, and it looks like we got to take what, probably 100, maybe less than 100 off. Luckily, this material is like machining,
Soft, yeah.
like machining cheddar cheese.
Yeah,
so
yeah, it's soft.
It's not putting up much of a fight. We're not being hard on the equipment.
Or the
Yeah, or anything. Really.
Yeah.
come back in and clean it up.
Pretty good, huh?
Well, it's definitely better.
Yeah.
So let's
Give her a whirl.
go try it.
Sitting flat now?
Look at that, buddy. There. Look at that.
That's
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Perfect. Huh?
It's much better than it
Oh,
was.
hell.
Yeah.
I'll say.
Okay.
Now, does the distributor catch?
Yes, it does. That was the first thing I checked.
You don't need the
Yeah, we
shims.
don't need the shims, we hope.
No.
Well, we shouldn't. It's straight now.
Yeah. Use them on the next job.
Yeah.
Don't throw them away.
That's right. Sell them. Sell those custom-made Kaiser
yeah.
distributor shims. I don't know why the Fraser never gave me trouble, because it's obviously a very bad design. There, look at that.
There.
Click.
Yay.
Now, oh wait. Look what we need the shim for now. Right? Yeah, so if I do this,
And then
put those vice grips back on wherever they went to, and it should be fine like this. Did I not tighten that enough? It's just not tight.
Well, that's what I thought. That's what I asked you.
I hope. Otherwise something else is wrong. Well, it's got a lock washer and it's a lock nut, so I was being careful not to overdo it. There. Okay, look at that. That's better. Before you had to tie it down with
Yeah.
zap straps, so
Well, yeah.
I hope we don't have to do that now.
No, because you cut them, so you
Yeah, that's right.
put new ones
That's
on now.
no longer in the budget. Yeah. The budget is blown.
Ow.
You alright?
Yes.
You need a hard hat.
I know.
Where's your helmet?
Go
To
get
walk
it.
around like a retard.
Weren't you just wearing one there?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and it saved my head because I ran into here a couple of times.
Now we just need a battery and gas, and it'll go. I want to see it go.
It's got to go. Yeah,
It's got to go, or what's the point, right?
exactly.
Okay, let me
Tractor
get the
battery?
Fucking gas.
Whoop. One plug wire is wrong. Oh, there's your problem. Hang on. I can hear this tick, 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 tick. There's a plug wire hanging off.
Oh.
Oh, well, which one is this then? They could be wrong.
You got the coil
We got-
plugged into a spark plug. No.
Where's the firing order? 153624. One. That's one. 5. We had
Mix those two
we
mixed
had
up.
them mixed up.
Well, no goddamn wonder this thing ran like that.
1, 5, 3, 6. There we go.
Yep.
Doesn't take very many things to go wrong.
No.
There we go.
That's running pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's better. A lot steadier than it was. Don't have to have all those zap straps on there now.
Well, yeah, but you still gotta have the light strip there. Or else, if you could find a smaller bolt to go through there with a nut.
Oh, for the vice grips, yeah. Yeah, that's okay. I mean,
Yeah.
that's not a major problem. But
No.
definitely running okay. Wow, that's a treat, eh?
Yeah. That runs nice.
Lots of nice smoke coming out.
Pretty close. Obviously, we can keep going. You know, if you put new points and plugs and wires and all that.
But I mean, yeah.
For something that's just thrown
It's
together.
gonna sit here, yeah, anyway. Yeah, it's running good. It's movable, eh?
Yeah.
So you got the trannies working now, haven't
Yeah,
you?
oh, it drives well, man. Well, that's a success, I'd say.
Yeah. It is.
Yeah. Right on. Well, we'll keep playing with that. That's right. Yeah, that should go in there. Who's that? Say hi to everybody. Hello. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a couple days. Say hi, Frankers. Thanks to everybody who wished Frankers a happy birthday. And thanks again to George for the fine donation for the old Kaiser here, and definitely much improved. So cheers, and we'll see you in a couple days. Bloop. Let's go. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.